The bulk account creation landscape on PayPal is more competitive than ever. Here's your edge. The financial risk is real. When PayPal bans your accounts, they often hold your funds for months. Some people never recover that money. VPNs alone won't save you. PayPal doesn't just check your IP. They build a complete profile of your device. Changing IP with the same fingerprint is like putting on a mask, but keeping the same outfit. Enterprise teams have been using this approach for years. Now the same technology is available to individual marketers. Multilogin gives you team-level protection at an affordable price. You can test different bulk account creation strategies across separate accounts simultaneously without any risk of cross-contamination. Thousands of professionals trust Multilogin already.